Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Yahoo Mail account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in yahoo.com. After you come across this official page, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Here, if you had used your Google account while creating an account, then click on Google option in order to log in. Or if you had used your username or email or mobile number, then enter your username or email address or mobile number associated with your account. If you do not remember your username, then click on Forgot Username link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create an Account option. Then tap on Next button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Yahoo Mail account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.